The President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, has unveiled his plan for the reopening of the American economy, and this comes as the U.S. records the highest daily coronavirus death toll in the world. With nearly 4,600 fatalities in the last 24 hours, the total death toll in the U.S. has now risen to over 34,640. Trump proposed guidelines under which governors of American states could act to revive the economy after the lockdown ends, insisting that the country has passed its COVID-19 peak. Trump said that some states have already stopped recording new cases and that they can literally open tomorrow.
You're talking about those states that are in great shape already?
Yes.
They will be able to go literally tomorrow, yes. Therefore, my administration is issuing new federal guidelines that will allow governors to take a phased and deliberate approach to reopening their individual states. I've dealt with them now a long time, and we've had a great relationship. Democrat, Republican, the relationship has been good. This strategy is based on hard, verifiable data.
As per Trump's plan, the U.S. economy will be opened in 3 phases.
Our approach outlines 3 phases in restoring our economic life. We are not opening all at once, but one careful step at a time. And some states will be able to open up sooner than others. Some states are not in the kind of trouble that others are in. Now that we have passed the peak in new cases, we're starting our life again. We're starting rejuvenation of our economy again in a safe and structured and very responsible fashion.
Calling his plan a science-based reopening, Trump said that foreign travel will be monitored in order to keep the virus's spread in check.
As we begin a science-based reopening, we must be extra vigilant in blocking the foreign entry of the virus from abroad. Border control, travel restrictions, and other limitations on entry are more important than ever to keep the virus in check and allow Americans to get back to work.
The man heading the COVID-19 response in the U.S., Dr. Anthony Fauci, said that the plan was drafted keeping in mind the health of Americans.
The predominant and completely driving element that we put into this was the safety and the health of the American public. And I know there are a lot of other considerations that go into opening, considerations that you've heard of right from this podium. But the dominating drive of this was to make sure that this is done in the safest way possible.